Morning, morning.
Morning, morning. Good morning, good morning. Actually, I put that thing on. So yeah, I saw this 5-minute trend line. This is the one that worked, but unfortunately, I had more marked up there, and we kind of we closed below, wicked up. So then I was like, right, this is eradicated now. And then this one here, there was only 2 points. It's a bit annoying. So people just took the buys here on GG. Sorry, on gold, I think it was. Did you was that an OB? I think it might have been. Which one did you take there, Emmanuel? Could be a W actually. Let's take a look on the 3-minute. I don't know why the fuck you guys bought there, but nice. Apart from maybe the OB below. But I don't even hit it on the 5. Let's look on the 15. 15, I suppose. So yeah, beautiful yesterday. My days, this fucking chart. Me and Sashin were in it. The Razumi. That was hilarious. The fucking OV play tapped. It messed around our area for ages, and 2 candles came up, tapped me out here, and then launched. So I actually really got in, like, the cells all down here. Shit launched back down. That was mad.
Hey Max.
Hello.
Hey, yeah, this morning it went up and exactly tapped the low of the previous highs above it.
Yeah.
On the far left. Yeah.
Yeah. We saw a little bit higher up. It hit the 5-minute, I think. Did it hit all the reses? Let's take a look. Let me just put a line and see where it taps. Yeah, like up here. Damn. Yeah, tap the resistance 69 and then nut it down. Beautiful. Yeah, man, didn't you lose 3 yesterday? I lost 2 yesterday. One was like a -1, which is pretty much spreads. People would count that as break even, so I'm fucking counting as break even. Top of the day, 5-minute breakout was clean for gold. Yeah, the one below it was okay. I think to be honest with you, this line for me was the one I wanted to look at. 450 was way too early. Didn't work anyway. Reworked after. You can see actually the actual pattern as well. It was a celery play retest back at the celery, so that was nice. But in terms of the trend line, I don't think there was one there. Okay, so yeah, let's do a little top-down analysis of everything. So the daily time frame is bearish, closed bearish as well on gold, but obviously, you know, huge news. There's also huge news today as well. So yeah, I'll probably do a sell stop, buy stop on GJ because of the news. Yeah, I was gonna have a not sure if anyone watched this. Yeah, me too. Okay, so the daily time frame is bearish, closed bearish. The 4-hour time frame is bearish coming down. Beautiful to support. It's right at support now, 1635. With the FOMC news, does it do the opposite after half an hour? It depends because Powell was speaking after, and he normally like settles the news pretty much. That's basically what happened because we were watching that. So yeah, 4-hour time frame, looking like it may be passing this support, but it's still on it right now, 1635. In terms of where you'd want to take trades, obviously we've got the big support again, 1631, like down here. Sells below there is going to be nice. In terms of the left-hand side, yeah, we've got until 1628. Could be good. Could be good. And then maybe more below 1620. Could be nice. That's quite nice zones for just closure belows. In terms of the 4 hour as well, yeah, we're breaking the 4 hour wicks and stuff, so that could be pretty nice. Let me just shrink that up a little bit. So that looks pretty good. Let's put this on. Let me just write this on. So, oh, this is the box. 1 second. There we go. Just put this on. Cells below 1631.98. Okay. So that's pretty good. I'll be looking for cells there. In terms of cells before that, a little bit cautious because there's an OB level right here, which it might have even just tapped into, to be honest. Yeah, it did on that candle there. So that could be a little bit cause for concern. There's also one further down there. So we've got to kind of get past all these levels first. I'll keep that one over here opaque, just so we can see it. Because I also took another one then yesterday. Okay, yeah, so in terms of buys, well, obviously we clearly have this resistance right now, which has been held before. Through Asian, it was also support. Look like it made some nice resistance on it. So, in terms of where I'd want to take buys, I think it'd probably be above the hourly zones. Let's look at the 4 hour. Because the 4 hour rejection, I wouldn't want to take any buys, really, I don't think, below that level. Right now, it's happening M formation, can you see? Retested, so this should really continue down, I think. So yeah, buys might have to be, you know, later on, man. We've got a lot of bearish structure going on. Yeah, probably above here, right? 1640. If you've got a closure above there, then we could maybe continue to the highs of 1646. So I think that could be pretty good too. That could be good. That could be good. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it does react at this level. But obviously, there's a little bit of an OB at the bottom there, which it could react off. So don't get in too early. Don't get in too early. So yeah, let's take a look at some places maybe for some OBs up above. Yeah, there's one here, a little bit higher above as well, so that could be quite a nice level to reject out of. So yeah, we've got, you know, an OB down there, we've got an OB up there, quite a lot of levels, so it could be pretty decent. Let me just opaque this again. So the opaque lines are like stuff that price could react to. So yeah, in terms of GJ, well, sorry, in terms of Goldie, that's all it's done. I think we're pretty good there, pretty happy with that. I do think that this should continue down over here to 1632. The 50 minutes closing in a minute's time, but there's a lot of traffic to the left, which is kind of cause of confusion over here. So I'd rather just wait further below. You know, it's only, I don't know, 30 pips away, and then I got a cleaner zone. So I'm gonna wait for that. In terms of GJ, yeah, GJ's looking a little bit washed, but there is big news today. Okay, big news. Take a look at FOREX Factory. We've got news at 12 o'clock. Yeah, changing the interest rates, going up 75 base points, just the same as the US. Obviously they're on 4%. So yeah, we'll have to see on this. I may have a buy stop and a sell stop there, to be honest with you, because that's literally what gold did. I forgot to put my gold buy stop on. I only put my gold sell stop on yesterday. Yeah, I had a sell stop below there, 1645, 1646. This candle launched. I should have had a buy stop maybe above there, 1651, because that's quite clean up. But just didn't have enough time. They expected good or bad numbers. It's just putting interest rate numbers up, so it's not good, right? But they need to do it, so it is kind of good. So it's just you know, they're putting interest rates up because inflation's too high. They want to control inflation, so it's, you know, they're doing things that they have to do. It's not good for people wanting mortgages though, or loaning money. So it's not the best, but they have to do it. That's why you saw gold yesterday launch up, because gold did the same thing, right? Sorry, US came out yesterday. Look, federal funds rate 4%. It went from 3.25 to 4%. Okay, so they've put the base rate up, which means interest is more. So it means you get more on your bank savings. Obviously, you know, inflation is still quite high. It's exactly the same thing as today. It's in London. JPY bank holiday. That's why we've been ranging so hard. So let's just get into this, right? But in terms of taking a trade on GJ, probably just gonna wait until the news, right? Realistically. Same thing as yesterday, price range. Well, actually, Goldie pushed up quite a lot actually before. Then it ranged quite a lot. And then obviously the news came out and just did its thing. Okay, let's take a look then. So 4-hour time frame, last one closed bullish around support. The daily time frame is looking good to continue down, really. There is daily support though to the left. Take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we've got a bit of traffic over here, right? We've got a support down here, 167,880. Okay, and below that level, yeah, we've got a lot of wicks, unfortunately. Can you see? So if I'm wanting to take sells below 880, so here, look how many levels have rejected. So that's not going to be too fun. So I'm probably going to have to wait until we break all of these lows. Somewhere probably around, yeah, here. I want to avoid all of these wicks that reject. So yeah, we got quite a far way off for taking sells on GJ, to be honest. Below 710 looks good. And there's still a rejection wick there, That's below 710, I suppose. Yeah, I kind of want to just get past this support. Take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, the 30 minutes much safer below right there. So we'll have to see for that. But in terms of the news, yeah, I think... What happened with the news yesterday, actually? Just take a look. When the news came out, we were just bearish all day. Yeah, we were just bearish all day. When that news came out here, we've spiked up and down. So, yeah, in terms of buys as well. In terms of buys... You've got a couple levels here that could be interesting. In terms of the trend, it's just a trend down. In terms of actually taking buys, it's going to be a little bit tough, eh? Why? Because the zones are so choppy, right? The zones are choppy. There's a lot of wicks everywhere. If I just drew on every level to break above, you'd have that one, that one, that one. And the distance in these areas, that one's decent, but there's a lot of wicks, a lot of traffic to the left, not clean. This one above's probably the best zone, but still not the cleanest. This one here is choppy as hell. So yeah, in terms of GJ buys, there's nothing much. Nothing much. Let's take a look at EJ as well. EJ may be a bit more lively this morning because of it's not there. It's not their interest rates. Oh god, I feel ill. Yeah, kind of the same thing, ranging, same kind of thing as GJ, right? But you know, expect a range through Asian session because it was a bank holiday for JPY, so that is okay. Manuel, what trade did you take before? It was just this buy, but is it on an OB? I think it was.
Sorry, Max, you said what?
You took a buy before in gold.
Yeah, I took in a few.
Yeah.
I missed OB by half a pip because I had my limit. And then I was watching the 5 minutes. It came down, and when it pushed up, I bought when it flipped.
Yeah, that's fair. That's what I thought.
And then put, stops to BE. I got 10 pips, so I closed partials. Where's I also? Yeah.
I see that 15 didn't make a top wick. We're down there. Those. Down to the low. Yeah, that 5-minute trend line this morning was alright. The main one didn't work out.
When it broke, it fucked up a few times because it broke down, closed below, and then closed above, and closed below, and closed above, and then closed below.
Yeah. That one worked perfect, though.
Yeah.
That one worked gorgeous. Let's take a look then on the higher time and see if there's any issue there.
Max, you'd be proud of me. I got the trend line this morning.
Oh, nice. What, this
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
550. 550, I took it.
Holy.
I closed most of it, to be fair. I got a little runner just going to the Asian low.
Yeah, beautiful. Where did you close your stuff?
At the resistance,
There?
or the support, sorry. Where?
1636.
Yeah, closed part of it there.
Yeah.
And
good.
then where your yellow line is, roughly around there.
Yeah, that's reasonable. Resistance there, there.
Yeah,
so
and then I
support
let
there.
the rest go, and I just moved my stop down.
Great.
Yeah,
That's great. Beautiful, beautiful.
thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Man, I get up in the morning at 5:45 and I look at the chart and I go, "There's nothing here," but I always fucking forget about the trend line. You know what I mean? Like if you look on the 15 or the 30, there's jack all like in the morning, like there's jack all somewhere. I'm fucking half asleep. I'm like, oh, there's nothing there, but the 5-minute, there's always something there. I need you to go straight to the 5-minute and draw a trend line.
Yeah, that's what I do on gold. On gold,
Yeah,
support and
literally.
resistances. First thing is 5 minutes trend line. Yeah.
So I'm looking at the
Because
support and resistance. God, there's nothing here. I could have another fucking hour in bed. Like, there's nothing here. And then, fucking 10 minutes. I wake up half an hour later. Oh my god, the fucking trend line.
I forgot the trend line.
I went to bed early last night as well. It's just I need to get out of this habit of just fucking checking it and just going back to bed. I don't even go back to bed. I'm literally on the fucking Telegram, like talking and just. Beautiful work there. So coming back down to the lows, which is pretty neat. Already broke that OB, so yeah, it could be interesting to continue down here. We will see. Trend line matters. How the guys with you take crazy entries? How the guys with you? From learning, man. Precision. Man, they've been taking a lot of OBs recently, so it's mainly that. So if you don't have any idea how they got in, yeah, it's because you don't know what OBs are. So yeah. Great push through as well. This is nice. Straight past Asian lows as well, so good. Are you gonna sell? Maybe in 6 minutes time if you're gonna close you below. We get a top wick maybe. If they see red, they click sell. If they see green, they click buy. Especially that one guy Brian. Fucking Heinz on one again. Yeah, so this zone is pretty decent. GU potential sells. Take a look. GU. I have a zone marked on the left. Why is this? Just look at the 30-minute. Got a lot of resistance there. Resistance there, support there, resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. We're quite close to it. We're looking good, man. Still pushing down. Still broken caca trading. Oh my god. Look at this bearish. I can't believe that nut yesterday. Oh, Sashin, what the fuck? The second I closed that Zoom. The second I closed that motherfucking Zoom. That thing nutted. I'm there like, fuck, I need to get in. I was literally like, I put on open calc on my magic keys. The fucking thing was the wrong way around. I had to switch it and I missed out on like 70 pips, motherfucker. So annoyed. Literally, I clicked off and fucking gold started nutting, like, fully. So, it's pretty...
yesterday was very nice. Yesterday was very nice.
Literally, like, what? I would love to see the fucking time of my Zoom call, or time this night, because it literally would have been 6:36, like, on the dot. It just fucking started nutting. So in the safest regard, yeah, I think Sashin's entry there was the best. Sash, did you take a trade? So on the break of the 50-minute low, previous low, did you use current candle stops? Oh, sorry, or did you use this stop here? Because that stop there is good, man. 30 pip stop. Yeah. I was getting in here. I got it all in here.
Yeah, I got in exactly on the OB.
The higher one? I can't see it really. I think it's on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't get in on that wick. So I had mine at the level we were looking at. So here, more or less. And then it pushed down.
Yeah.
I removed my stops because I knew we were going to get the wick up. So we got the wick up. I got into a bit of drawdown, not the same as Brian, that I have to take my hat off. Fuck's sake.
I fucking did. I was in here at 1665 and I took all the drawdown. My stops got hit at 1667. Motherfucker. You keep yours on?
Yeah, I kept mine on.
Where's your stops? It fucking broke the 4-hour OB. I was like, these motherfuckers are out. Hell no, these guys are holding their nutsacks on.
Yeah, I'll hold mine on.
Because in the 4-hour, we broke the 4-hour OB. I was like, we are fucked. Like, look, it went so much higher. You guys held fucking another 40 pips drawn out. Holy shit. Madness. Look at that. Goldie, man. Goldie. Gold heading down to 1628. Yep. And 1620 target layer. Yep.
Just wait for this Goldie. Come on.
Come on.
And Capital Hungry. Jivan, he was right to the dot. Like, to the dot. She's amazing. On use, fuck me.
What did he say?
Yeah, he said the day before, the day or 2 days before, he posted on his Instagram saying exactly what would happen with the Fed. So if they would say one thing, gold would do this. If they would say another thing, gold would do this to the dot.
So it's actually more about what they're saying after, because the 4% obviously pushed it up. But then it ranged at our level for ages because we're waiting for that geezer to talk. And then it launched up a little bit and then nutted. Yeah, so it's more about
exactly.
What they're saying.
Yeah.
Which I find so funny because it's just waffle what they're saying. It's like the markets are moving for some guy talking about how, we're all okay. It's like, well, yeah, you still got 4% interest you going up. It's clearly something's going wrong over here. He's talking about how he wanted to get it back to 2% inflation. Well, yeah, that's great, but it isn't right now. So no matter how much you waffle about 2%, you're not fucking 2%. You're 10 at the moment. But clearly the markets liked it. Just nut it back down. Yeah, so this goalie's pushed a lot in this zone.
I was in with Steve yesterday when it started to push up. I even posted it on the Telegram. And then as soon as the news got out, it started to push down. And I don't know why a fucking panic came. I just closed the X, and then I saw it rinse up, and no, because I closed my buy stop and I closed the fucking entry that I had, and it just pushed up, and I just saw Steve 140, 130, 120. I'm motherfucker. There you go.
What candlestick should I get tattooed on me?
What the fuck? What candlestick? Wait, all the same. What, a bullish one?
Gotta be bullish, come on. Gotta be. I don't want no fucking red candle on me, bro.
Nah, I do a bearish candle on me. This shit runs. Alright, in terms of Goldie here, I mean, the retest entry, how big would your stops be? 25 pips. That wouldn't be too bad. That wouldn't be too bad if it wants to get there. Still got no bottom wick. It's gonna make quite a second though. Yeah, the only issue here now is your stops, guys. I mean, you could use previous 5-minute, but zone 19 for 12 pip could be okay. I just think the retest is quite nice here. I'll post in Discord the 2 main statements. Look at GJ reacting off the lows. You can tell, right? It's a 168, man. It likes playing around them levels. It's probably gonna mess around there until this news comes out later on, I think. So yeah, I really want this Goldie Coin, because if not, right, talk about this zone as a whole. You know, the zone has got like 18 pips left. Here is like 17, 18 pips. You're halfway through the zone. So if your stops are there, they really aren't safe. You kind of want to get in here and your stop loss in the previous zone. That is the only thing. But the only thing you could use is the 5-minute if you fancied it. But we'll see. Yeah, that 30-minute closure as well was nice. Fucking top wig. Wait for resistance. Yeah, I think depends how quick this pushes up. Because I think resistance you'll have to wait like 2-3 hours. And it should really get down to these lows first. Just quickly go to the toilet. A minute left for this 5-minute candle. GJ coming down. GJ coming down. 4-hour celery play. I should assume the left hand side's a bit choppy, but in terms of the candles right now, they're pretty strong. You know what I mean? Like, look how many wicks here. Ugh. I prepared that gold sell before London opened. Saw the celery on the 30. Stop loss was reasonable, but somehow didn't take. Now I am mad at myself. Don't get mad about yourself. Wait, 30-minute celery? Where even was the 30-minute celery? Oh, sorry, I'm on GJ. It's like, where was the 30-minute celery? Do you mean 15-minute? I think that's what you mean. Don't be mad at yourself. Just you know, you're right. You're correct. You should be positive. You know, you looked at the trade you wanted, and it worked out nicely. Little W formation in gold on the 1 minute. New retest at 1634, yeah. So the 1 minute W is working out. Working out. See if this can push higher. 8 minutes left for this candle, so still got half the time. Could be good for 30-minute sells. Yeah, probably wait for the 30 because 8 minutes left. If this 30-minute doesn't close below, whoa, you could be in for some boo-boo over here. Yeah.
Move formation lows.
Yeah. Yeah, that fucking worked great yesterday, didn't it? I mean, the hourly doesn't have a top wick. Yeah, I don't care about the hourly having no top wick. It's miles away, right? It's 1634. It's 50 pips away. It does have a little nipple as well. But that's fine now. It's only when it's close to it. It's fucking miles away. I've noticed in times of volume, gold pushes through support and resistance easier. Do you think it is a good idea to trade in the small ranges, anticipating a breakout and manage risk? If you get a nice entry, but anticipating a break, if you're getting in like sells here, yeah, this one would have worked. But if you do that 1,000 times, you're going to be slapped lots of times. I don't think it's as much as you think. You only think it's as much when one's actually happened, but for the most part, it does react off levels pretty hard. Would you care that it doesn't have a top wick if it was closer? I mean, no, because it's got a top wick on both my trading view and on my terminal. It's got a little nipple. So, even though it's not a big one, it's still one there. And it's just, yeah, it's only when it's the start of the candle. Like, look, right? We still got 36 minutes left, though, I suppose. But it's just miles away. I'm not asked. It's not. If there was like, if it was the start of the hourly and we pushed down with no top wick, then I'd be like, nah, I gotta wait. Because the hourly's gotta make a top wick in the first bit of the candle. But we've already pushed down in the first 24 minutes of it. Pushed down hard.
Could've gotten a better entry.
London institutions and banks and everything, they close at 6, no?
4:30.
Or earlier. 4:30. So technically, they have not enjoyed the news that gold has suffered.
Yeah.
So technically, when they open, they will see, oh my God, look at Goldie.
That's true. 100%. This is why maybe it's starting to drop, eh? GJ and that. It might not be too bad, these GJ cells. It's just the left hand side just does put me off. When was this? 19th of October. I mean, it was quite far away, right? So we'll see how this candle opens. Because the zone itself, like back down to the lows, isn't too bad. Getting into some profits. Let's take a look here. Banks are closing around 5 o'clock for work. They're doing inside work till. Wow. Very nice. GJ's.
If you look at the top, you have the top at 340, 140. What is it? 420. So you're back 3 hours. Is at 120. That's
Wait, where at?
Japan.
Of what? Oh, Japan.
Gold.
Oh, gold.
Yeah.
The open of gold or the high?
The open of Asian.
Okay, it was at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. But Asian doesn't open at 11. This market.
No,
market
but it's because
change.
my times, isn't it?
And that's that trade card such naughty.
This fucking daylight saving is such a pain in the ass. I can't wait for it to fuck off. Yeah, wait, news in 30 minutes? What kind of news?
Huh?
Wait, it's
Chess
just-
news.
Ah, yeah, I'm not asked for that.
Get me scared for a second then. What about in my position?
Yeah, it's this one down here, 12. That's a big one. Yeah, it's a 12. Gonna be busy.
Yeah, this week on news is a bit mad, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
It's good though because it's just like the week after,
Yeah,
it's got a lot of room.
100%. I'm just worried about this GJ wicking back up to the Asian and closing back above. Back to 168. Because look, it's right at 750 as well. I don't know, I might have just... There's no closure, just nutted, so... One of them things.
Max, are you on IC markets?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Your boy.
In the season, I'm good on IC markets, isn't it?
Yeah, it should do. It's good stuff. Let's take a look at the spreads today, actually.
That's the only reason I use Anchor.
I don't know why I use Hanker. Hanker's fucking shit.
It's so shit, but Nasdaq on it's so nice.
How? It's the spreads are wank. I've seen them.
Are you no? Well,
spreads are-
sometimes they're only good New York session. So
Okay.
you can't I've been in a fucking trade. Well, I've been holding this trade since like fucking 4 a.m., 3 a.m., bro, and it hasn't moved. It only just moved from this hour candle. But I've been in profit the whole time. It's
Well,
just
that's not
been
your
fucking
broker.
raining.
That's just because it ranges before news.
No. I'm saying like it just like the spreads are shit, so I can't find a good entry.
Yeah.
Because like the way I trade lines is like on the 5 minute, and I need like a quick scalp. You know what I mean? But if you're being like, say, right now it's like a 3 pip spread.
What?
So you're holding 3 pip drawdown the second you place a trade.
Yeah,
right?
that sucks.
But if you're trading like past like what was it like 1 p.m. ish, it's good.
Yeah.
I love trading fucking Wall Street.
Yeah, later on.
What?
Volume. I'm trying to think if anything it could react off. Maybe here, this 750 wick down. Yeah, 'cause coming back up now.
Do you know why like IC markets and like them don't have like NAS? They just use like US radio and that.
I don't know. No idea.
Never understood it.
Yeah. Isn't USD pretty much the same as us?
Kinda.
Yes. I mean, they wouldn't need the same really two things on. Yeah, I'm staying out of these GJ sales, man. This 4 hour zone is shit. I would never take a trade there. So, also after the stream, guys, we'll do the homework. Yeah, I'll put that in the chat actually. Do homework after stream. After London stream. Yeah, let's do after this. So nice strong
Thinking.
closure.
My bad. Carry on.
So nice closure in GJ, and you'll probably continue really.
I was gonna say I think it might come down to like 67, 151 ish area.
151. Oh, you got so much resistance to the left to break first before you get there. Miles away.
No, but it's just the news. I'm thinking about news, but
yeah. So what about Goldie? Yeah, I mean Gold's closed below. It's okay. I gotta wait for this candle to make a fucking top wick though. I'm not gonna lie.
was that not a 4-hour salary play? I'm not really like. I don't really trade like that.
4 hour.
Not the 4 hour.
No, it wasn't a 4 hour.
Oh,
It was a week before it.
oh, your chart's different than mine. I'm on MT4.
Would you consider a retest now on GGMX?
I don't think I'm gonna do. I'd rather have the retest in gold, to be honest with you, because the zone below on gold's clean and the zone below on GJ is shit. You know what I mean? Also, the 4 hour closed bullish before. I don't know. I think the goldy one would be better.
I just put what it looks like on like my phone.
You put what?
The 4 hour that I was saying.
Yeah. Let's take a look at the. Yeah, fives is chilling a bit at the moment though. I want to see a big push up. 30-minute time frame couldn't retest. Then maybe getting in stop loss above. We'll have to see. This GJ still not in. Is there any ways to get in a little bit higher? Not really. 30-minute sells gold. Yep, just discussed it. In terms of your stops, you've got to find them out, right? I don't really like what the 5 minutes doing here, to be honest with you, and it kind of gives me nightmares from yesterday. But made the top wick now, looking good. Flipped. I just think it's still gonna gravitate towards this retest. It came pretty close. I just don't have any confidence with this stop, considering the 5 minute is just ranged. So if I'm basing my whole trade on this stop loss, knowing that price is ranging on the 5 pretty hard, you're gonna be in a little bit hard. Whereas if I can get a discounted entry a bit higher up, much easier. Oh, EJ did it. What a cunt. So EJ, no bottom wick, retest the Asian lows, stop loss above. How much would you stops actually? They're quite big. 20 pips are quite big, yeah. Quite big. Did you trade the news yesterday? Yes. Your GV might be interesting. This is interesting why gold is doing this. Like yesterday, big move and then range, boy. In terms of earlier in the morning, yeah, so it just started ranging, then the volume came out like 7:45. That was where the volume kicked in. Kicked in. How did your news trade go? Yeah, great. I mean, my last trades were huge. Took a got into 64. So took like a 29 pip loss, I think, 28 pip loss. And my gains were 100 pips each. And I did a double lot on that bitch. So yeah, that was great. I quite enjoyed doing the news actually. So if we if you have any more news, we'll just jump in on Zoom and we'll do a group one. Group one, especially with the Fed rates. That's well fun. Yeah. Is this Goldie gonna go now? Are you gonna do your thing? I think that concerns me about today's GBP news. Yeah, 100%. That's why I'm backing off, man. Not doing the same mistake as yesterday, getting into loads of trades before the news. I'm just gonna wait until the news, really. In terms of entries here, this closed straight too far into the zone. GJ closed way too far into the zone halfway through. So, and also I don't like the left hand side on GJ. The left hand side's gold's decent, but yeah, I'd rather just wait a little bit. If there's no clear setups, then it's okay. GU, oh, look at GU. GU closed below that level. How big are the stops? 24 pips. Not too bad. What was your entries? 1660. What was it? 1664.6 here. Got tapped out there. 1667. Then when this one reflipped, I got into all these cells down here and held that bitch to there. Speaking hawkish on 3 of the news and good on 1 of them. Wait, what? At the actual time? Expecting 900, which is the same as before, and the interest rate is going up to 75 points. Thing is though, this government, like, fucking retarded, man. I'm still holding GJ sells in the swing trade for Monday, holding it to the next daily support, already up 100, 300 pips. Nice. Very nice. Nah, Brian, I think he was just saying that people are not... The same thing happened this morning. People just sent in them the charts, including you. Okay, so goalie's breaking down. Looking good. So if you get in on the break of the lows, how big are your stops going to be? So 20 pips for a 10, 12 pip gain. See what I mean? It's squeezing a little bit. Let's take a look to the zone to the left. Yeah, it's the next resistance area. What lot size are you using on Goldmax? I'm using a percentage risk, so it kind of depends on how big the stops are. Come on, Goldie, push down, boy. Yeah, that M formation there was good. So that was like an M formation retest, resistance forming, 30-minute bearish closure belows, and also a retest as well, and the M. Oh. Yeah, that was mad. Madness. So yeah, I always say later on, if you are trading news, you know, just use some of your profits, or, you know, do a very small lot. Don't just fucking over risk, because you can just blow your account in 1 second. It'd be stupid. And never, ever, 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 ever have your leverage on 1 to 500. Because if you accidentally click a big lot size for news and it fucking runs and taps out 100 pips, you could lose your whole account, and that would be stupid. That's what Daniel Savage did. He said that the magic keys told him to nearly blew his account. It's like, well, you're 1 to 500 leverage, you fucking idiot. Took that M on gold earlier. Nice, yeah. I always see him actually. Yeah, but he might not want to send charts. But I think some people. I think it's just. I think if people like you actually send the charts, or some others send the charts instead of just numbers, then they might feel more inclined to send their chart. You know what I mean? Not just a fucking picture of their pips when they don't have any pips. You know what I mean? Struggling 15 on on gold at the 1630. Yeah, I mean 1630s, you know, it's the psychological level, right? It's the same thing as like 160 or 170. So it's probably gonna struggle. On CT, you can set max daily losses percentage. Yeah, that's pretty good. Stevie boy, you had a mad day yesterday, eh? You fucking took so many trades. Did you take the buys? Because you had your gold buys on and then the fucking news came out and it launched. You got in like, where was it? You got in like down here, like 1646, I think you said. And then you're like TP 280 pips. Holy shit. Madness. It's great. I paid for some McDonald's, eh? Yeah, you can see GJ struggling now. It's not just doing the best. So we need to share pips. No, just winning trades and losing trades would be better, Bri. I took EJ sells just now on the breakout. Just now, as in like you just entered it now, because I think you should be good. I think you should be good if you got the retest of the Asian.
That's what I got.
Stops are quite big though, but B, get the flip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, stops 20 pips.
Yeah.
My word, 20 pips, not anymore, but they were 20 pips.
Yeah, they're quite big.
Yeah.
There we go, Goldie coming down. Max, how can we send a chart? Just do the camera thing on TradingView like this, camera, copy link, chart to image, and send me it. I already blowed 5 accounts now this month. I'm up 5%. Wait, what? You've blowed 5%. Andrea, do you get the gold flip? Looking like it might play out. It's so weird those candles there, innit? It's 5. Just like, nope. In terms of GJ, if we do swoop back up, the buys could be quite nice, back up to 168. So I'm gonna watch that as well. Did you get the gold sell? No. So I think in terms of the trade, that was a beautiful. And how big were the stops there? 17 pip stops as well. Oh. Is EJ flipped yet? No. Let's take a look below. It doesn't look bad below, eh?
No. And the gigantic wick, I have no idea what the hell it is.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Wow.
gigantic.
Huge.
Yeah.
Huge wiki. GJ coming back down. But yeah, this is nothing that's really tickling my pickle. So in terms of this morning, what one trade? Probably this one. If there was just a little top wick that gives me a second to fucking think about it. But it just broke the low straight away. Because it's clean candles to the left there. 22 pips to the low. Runner obviously continuing. So I think that was probably the only trade that I could really see this morning. In terms of GJ and Goldie, I mean, if you got the flip here on GJ, did you get anything out of it? 15 pips. Stop loss. Could have used maybe the 5. But 15 pips stop loss was going to be 24. It's shit R to R that. That's why I kind of left it. The zone is too small. Goldie, kind of the same thing here, right? If you get the flip, your stops are not safe at all. And you gain, yeah, you might have got a 1-to-1, but I think if you played that like 1,500 times, you would lose quite a lot of them. Because the retest is just much higher, you know, than your whole stop. It's 5 pips higher. So, and most times it probably will gravitate towards the Asian lows and the previous support and then reflip and continue. So, kind of wanted to get in on the retest. So, yeah, I was like going through like the sessions, which one could we have taken? Was there also a little OB that people took here as well? Yeah, I don't like that. It's too bearish. On 4-hour gold, don't you think we can move all the way down to 1620? Yeah, if you break 1628. 1628 would be nice. I think that would be reasonable. Oh, mate, I'm loving that box thing that Stevie recommended. Oh, I was watching the football last night. It was great. HD as well. Actually, my Wi-Fi does work on it now. It just didn't let me download the actual software, but when it's downloaded, obviously you can just use the Wi-Fi. So, buzzing. For a whole year as well, for 108 quid. Oh.
That's peanuts, my god.
I know, now I can delete Apple TV, Disney Plus, Netflix, got all of it on. Gold 50-minute question mark. Right, if you don't listen to the chart, I'm not fucking asking. I've literally told you why I don't want to take it, because the zone's too fucking small. The fourth time. I don't get how people can go on a stream and have me on mute and then ask gold 50-minute. I've been fucking talking about gold for about 10 minutes there. About how the zone is too small for me. Lord have mercy. How do people fucking graduate out of school and that fucking retarded? Come on, go. I want 20 pips or nothing. 20 pips. So yeah, it gets a little bit choppy, but maybe, I mean, if it gets closure back below, let's look how the hourly looks as well. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Where is the push? Yeah, it's the thing, man. In terms of where I'd want to take buy stops and sell stops on GJ, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. If we break these lows, probably a sell stop there for the news. So everyone in the chat who's new, make sure to send me a chart, because I want your opinions. Instead of just me going, oh yeah, you EJ, you're asking me EJ or whatever, just send me a chart. My EJ right now I've already discussed like 15 times. It's actually pretty good for maybe a salary play, eh? You still in, Manuel? Emmanuel.
Yeah, I'm here.
11 pip stop. Let's take a look at the zone below, because I might be quite interested in this.
Yeah, I like the fact that 15 minutes did not have the bottom wick, started to push up to make the top wick and then should flip down, but now it made the bottom wick as well and started to push up again.
I think if we break that low, I might take the celery, because it'll be breaking hourly lows, 30-minute lows, 50-minute lows.
Yeah.
4-hour current low as well, so I'm going to go for that. Let's do this. 570. 144. 570. Looks like it might be breaking the 50-minute high. If it breaks that, then I'll just delete it. Let's take a look at Goldie. Yeah, so tapped it, great. You know, your zones are good, tapped it. Good stuff. Yeah, new 1 hour could create top wick, yeah. True, so it's 8 minutes left. Probably wait for this hourly to close, right? Because 8 minutes left, it's actually already broken the previous 15 high as well, or going to. So it may be fucking around. Because the next candle, if it closes below, then it could be okay. And then we'll just take the celery on that, so we'll see. And there we go. There's your little taps on GJ. Oh, sorry, on gold support. On GJ coming towards this level where it's going to reject. So if you haven't taken any profits yet on GJ, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, if you've got data to the left hand side, especially in the 4 hours showing you that it's rejected right at 750 or 700, and you haven't taken any positions thinking it's going to break further, then you know, it's a risky play. Please analyze GA. No. I don't fancy doing that, thank you very much. Please, can you analyze GA?
EA. My God, I've not heard that in a while.
Yeah.
Max, did you manage to get any of the sell yesterday?
Yeah, got quite a lot of it, yeah.
Oh,
It took
well
me
done,
like
mate.
3 attempts though, fucking hell. Well, 2 attempts. Yeah, I got took a sell here, 1645, because the OB didn't work.
Yeah.
Got stopped out like 28 pips or something, and then I took the sells when we came back below this level, 1656.
Oh, well done.
On the 15 here, made a top wick, flipped. Just like that. And I held that all the way down to there.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll do some streams on it now because we've got the OBs, we've got areas that you can actually get into and like hold them. Whereas before it's just the push and see you later. Whereas now we can get into a little bit of entries over here. Still didn't break the high. Oh, don't break this low before the hourly, please.
I got tapped out.
Ah, that's a shame.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't. No, if it rinses down, oh my God.
Yeah, we'll do 100% do some streams on nah, we'll do that. When are you gonna start using EMAs of the break and retest? And we'll never use EMAs.
Never say never.
Nah, the chart indicators that are lagging, they're not live. So it's just useless. It'll just skew you.
Yeah, I was gonna say that what Andrea said now. The DJ is on a daily support, and now on the 3 minutes, if you look at it, you're getting it. You got the W.
Yeah, I was looking at it on the 3.
Yeah, already pushed down a little bit too much, I think, but it might come up and then retest the neckline.
Yeah, it's true. The daily level could be the issue here, eh?
Yeah.
Just retesting it. Yeah. Look at the volume just shrinking, boy. Goldie just trickling down. Makes sense though. Big news yesterday, so it always needs to relax after for a little while. And obviously there's news very soon too. Ooh. Oh. Something's happening. Yeah, someone's turning on the generators for London Open. Oh, for EJ just go. To talk to girls in the grind, need confidence boost a lot. Oh my gosh. Yeah, in terms of GJ and EJ here, so GJ and Gold, I just need them to wait for this fucking news, I think, later on. Yeah, so EJ's reactive broken the highs. Hourly's gonna close below, above the support maybe, in 3 minutes time. There's news 8:05. Oh yeah, there is. Is it Euro news? Yeah. 8:05. President Lagarde speaks. Where's that from?
France. I think.
Ah. Is it?
No, Lagarde. She's the.
Latvia.
No, Lagarde. She's the head of.
Our European Central Bank.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I think isn't Macron the French? The French person? ECB.
Yeah, Macron is the French president. Yeah. What the fuck is GJ doing as well?
Well, it's falling an OB if it keeps on pushing up. So when it comes to retest later, oh. Are you still looking into the Asian range trades to help you? I know somebody told like a fake out into the Asian range or something like that. Yep. Yeah, the Asian soup.
Soup.
Soup. EJ soup. Ah, EJ soup you could. I'm gonna be a little bit cautious though because we've got news coming in like 6 minutes for EJ. Yeah. Central Bank. EJ retest the celery, yeah. It sure did. Yeah, big news later on. Like 6 minutes or so. I know, the news is so annoying, man. But I suppose you're getting a little bit of profit. You just go break even, see the score.
Gold is messing with people's mind now.
Yeah. For me, it's beautiful, man. I came to the support, reacted off it, and now it's just in its new zone, 100%.
Yeah.
But you know what I mean? Like people trying to hold on these sells to see if it breaks below. It's like, well, why don't you just take your profits here, man? Especially if you got in this area. If you now try and hold drawdown like here, you're gonna be slapped. Goes gold to 10, beautiful, Andrea. Good stuff. Good work. Freaking 8 AM. What's your best setup, Max? Probably close you back in the zone. Yeah, close you back in the zone. In terms of entry, well, the retest is my favorite. Because when it happens, even when something goes wrong, you can normally get out of break even because you got the retest. 3-minute W on gold. Yeah. The only issue is it's still way too bearish, you know. It's retesting now. do, 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 do. 51 pips on GJ, 65 pips on GU. Wow, amazing. So GJ closed bullish in the 15, making a lower wick. Interesting. EJ still closed, hourly closed below, 30-minute closed above the Asian lows. Interesting. Goldie's still pushing down, eh? Exactly a support or res close, EJ. Yeah. Yeah, if that bullish closure down there wasn't as strong, then I think it'd be nicer, but it's closed quite strong, eh? With that big push up. Where's Finn and the boys? I think they're in they'll be in Discord or something. Yeah, look at gold as well, daily support. So you gotta be a little bit cautious there. If it breaks below it, my days, but I don't know if it will. What's your thoughts on GJ? I actually quite like it pushing back up, to be honest with you. But obviously the hourly closed bearish below is still bearish overall. So, yeah. Has it made any pattern on the lower time frames? It's got a W, eh? My spread on GJ is high, so I can't even take a trade, lol. Yeah, that sucks. Just holding it though. Wow, come below. Goldie, what are you doing? 1620 could be on the cards then. Maybe. Let's take a look at GJ now. Yeah, it's a closed bearish now. Interesting. 50-minute time. I'm still making the lower wick. So yeah, I don't really see too much right now. Look at the 3 now. Did the 5 do it? Only issue with the W is that it hasn't came back down to the support, like the actual support yet, which is like 500. That's the only concern. So GJ coming back down. So yeah, I don't really like anything, to be honest with you. We'll see how this pushes down below 1627, because you know it's a big levels on the daily, which is just breaking, so that could be quite interesting. But apart from that, there's nothing too much. I really wanted these EJ fucking cells though. News coming out in a minute's time. Will someone speaking? On gold, there's a 5-minute OB, 1623, 1620. Might react from it, might go through it. Well, there's a big one there on the hourly. Okay, let's just do this. To look at the lower time frame, see if you can do it up a little bit. There. Yeah, nothing really there. So it's coming into that area now, eh? Tapped into it. Tapped into the boy. How big would your stops be? 38 pepperonis.
You lower that area down.
You what?
Can't you lower that area down?
Oh, time frames.
Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 5.
Must be an entry a little bit with smaller stops.
I couldn't see one on the 30.
That bottom line looks good to me, Max.
Yeah. Down here.
That's why you'd want the retest if you're going to chuck a buy in.
No. There's one upper. Fucking hell, I hate scrolling this fucking left. Come on. Where's the Why you care minus support? It's just something we're looking at, man. You just, if you don't know what OBs are, then there's no point. Where are you looking at? There. That's true. So that's made it much easier.
Yeah.
Right in the middle. Ah, sick. I like that arrow. I didn't even see that fucking arrow. Cheers, Max. 5-minute close below. Still looking bearish. This GJ still coming down to the level that was said, which is good. Man, it's just been trickling down all morning, eh? Especially Goldie, my days.
GU.
Yeah, GU, my god. Still holding it. Look at this sell-off. Oh. It's a good sell-off.
I've reduced the areas to the 1 minute, and the 1 minute you have two. Well, I would say one is because if you have one below the other, then you take the one that's further down.
100%.
And the one is at 21.35, and stops are 20.40, so 10 pip stop.
Oh. That ain't too bad, eh?
No.
Looking like it's hit the hourly one, though. Reacted off it. Very nice. That might be it, because now it's above the daily support again. Yeah. GJ looking like it's probably gonna mess around in this little zone until the news comes out. Then we'll get a big rocket. Big rocket. Somewhere, either down or up. We'll have to see. I mean, in terms of the 4-hour reflipping, that'd be quite nice. In terms of buys, probably above there. We'll have to see closer to the time. And it literally just tapped the hourly as well.
Yeah.
Hourly wick. Beautiful. It's good that when there's like daily support above as well, because you know it's probably gonna rest around there. What days do you normally trade? All of them. Apart from Saturday, Sunday, obviously. Just to make sure, JPY holiday. Yep. I think it was. Was it on the actual thing? Yeah. All day Thursday. All day Thursday. But Raja caught that gold cell. Yeah, he would have. Never misses. The time zone in Pakistan's sick as well. We were talking about that before. You take them trades at like 10 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, or fucking 5 a.m. Oh. I remember I used to start my streams back in the day at like 7:30. Do you ever hold trades during the weekend? No. No need. No need, no need. One news event and you can get slipped pretty damn hard. Hell no.
Yeah, weekends are dangerous.
Yeah. 5-minute close bullish. Next one pushing up. Very nice. The 50 game is very interesting. I'll keep it off. Yeah, 100%. I remember watching Raja when I think he said he had a 100,000 account. That was before the 50k challenge thing. 2 years before.
Remember Raja only using 10 lots. That was a while ago.
I remember him using 2 lots.
Yeah, then it was before. Like consistent 10 lots. That was when he was doing 10 lots, and then he switched up.
Did you use hit the 30-minute OB 1627? Yeah. Is that the one that I had marked on the 30? Yeah. Oh, the 31 wasn't even that bad as well. Wait. That is like an OB, but in the other direction.
I don't think that counts.
Yeah, I was thinking.
And
Didn't also break structure either.
Yeah, on the video that Ninja made, he says that he usually enters on the body of the candle.
Yeah.
I don't know if that is in every single circumstance or if there's exceptions or not. There's always exceptions, so yeah, I just want the breaks of my trend lines now. I'm not gonna do anything else on both.
Yeah, I agree. In terms of trend lines, though, let's just discuss. There's 1:16:41.
Yeah, I have that one, and then I have from the wick from the top.
The higher one, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Actually, I have another one. Where the fuck does that go? Oh yeah, it goes from the small wick that you have just before this push. So just before the ascendant trend line, you have a wick there. So at 38.47, something like that, and then push it down. That has one touch.
Wait, where? 1647?
Yeah, so let me just make a ball around it from there. So,
1637, yeah. You're confusing us. Missed lots of trades. Well, I think you missed your own trades, mate. For me, there's only one trade that was reasonable today, and that was the gold cells in the morning. The other ones were not in my playbook, but guess what? You're watching my stream, fuckwit, so I'm gonna take my trades, not yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on there as well. I think this is a bit too steep, these two, to be honest. I've got like the higher one.
Did you take the daily flip retest, Matt?
No, I didn't. 640. Literally just started the stream. Yeah. It was nice though, eh? 30-minute retest as well. Oh. Beauty. A beauty, beauty, beauty.
Why didn't you take it?
Because it was 6:45 and I was getting the stream ready and getting a coffee.
We're gonna have to work on that.
Yeah, I know. If I wanted to take that trade, it'd be this anyway. The flip. So yeah, 6:30 candle. It'd be fine after this hourly goes back, because the volume will come a little bit earlier. But it's just I can't get over 5:45. It's horrendous. I can't fucking walk. It's your fucking stream box, Steve.
I know the administrators did ring last night and asked me if you'd died, because you'd had the German channel on for 10 hours.
I need to download the other one though. I've got the Extreme one, but I haven't downloaded the Man Cave one. What's the difference?
Man Cave is your series. It's all box sets.
Ah, nice.
And the latest movies. Whereas Extreme is your live TV, and pay per view and all that shit.
Yeah. Oh, I love the Sky Sports last night and the BT Sport. Oh. $14 days. Oh my god. It's not too bad, eh? Not too bad. So another 15 cores bullish on EJ. Yeah, interesting. If you get the resistance here, maybe later on. So how long left into this news? So you got like 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Still trickling down, Goldie, eh? It's just doing its thing.
PA is horrible.
Yeah.
Alright, what?
100%. Right, I think in terms of getting up early, I've got to have something to do. Well, I've got to have not an incentive, but like a punishment if I don't get up early, because that'll get me up. Like if I have to like give money to Steve. We did that one with Warren, and I was fuck every time. I need like a punishment. Okay, let's do one.
Every time you don't wake up in the morning, you have to do some push-ups.
That's true.
Physical pain, and if you put it in your mind that you have to do it, if you do not like to do push-ups, fuck me, you'll start to wake up. Because if you're a disciplined guy, which you are, then you will wake up in the morning, fuck, I did not wake up. Okay, how many push-ups did I say? 25, 30, 35? Okay, I'm gonna do them. Tomorrow, I'm waking the fuck up. I think that would help. Yeah, but some...
Yeah. You're up at fucking 6 o'clock. How's that disciplined?
You can't pick up. 6 o'clock is fucking hard. Well, no, not 6 o'clock. I'm up at 6 o'clock. It's earlier, bro. All of the fucking moves are happening at 5:45, so you've got to give it 5:30. My alarm sets every morning 5:45. Then sometimes I sleep till 6, and then it's like, oh fucking hell. Like I could come on happily, like like 6:45 and stuff, but it's just do you want Max to die? Depends on when you go to sleep. 100%. Well, you need to tell Caitlin to fucking get a bed idea. To be fair,
what time does she get up?
Normally 7. She's 7:15, 7:30. Yeah. She's always asleep when I get up. I do jump rope every morning. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Maybe do yoga before.
Do yoga before what? Before stream?
Before the stream, yeah.
Hey, there's yoga channels on that TV box, Max.
I've already got loads, but yeah, do they actually have like a fucking whole like sports section as well?
Yeah, they've got that P90 program on there. You should do that.
Oh, I might try it. Wait, which one's that on? Extreme? Or the other one?
One of them. Yeah. It's called Fitness.
Oh, that'd be quite good. Right,
okay.
I tell you what, right? If I'm not on stream every morning from now on at 5:45, I'll have to give someone from the gulag £100 every time. There we go.
Why don't you just give it to charity?
But then I would want to do it.
Yeah, I'm a lazy cunt charity.
I'm a lazy contract. Gulag is charity.
Yeah, Hein says gulag is charity. Gulag, well, to be fair, Hein, if I give it to Hein will just give it straight back to the broker. Nah, that's what we'll do, right? From now on, if I'm not on stream, 5:45, £100 every time, boy. And we'll discuss on where we could take it. But I'm going to be on every time.
Why did you move to an apartment with a gym?
I have.
So why don't you go to the gym?
No, it's in December. It's in December.
Oh, the next one.
Yeah,
the office block's got a gym.
Yes, got a big fucking gym. Office blocks. It's fucking gorgeous in there, man. I don't know what you're on about. It'll raise my account. Okay, the one who comes on first. Is there any way I can turn my PC on? Because I can remote do it, so I can set up all the stream without being on my phone, and then I can like get my coffees and shit. But I need to turn on the PC first, which is annoying.
Okay. The life of a snowflake.
You know, I'm not joking. When I moved to Sweden when I was 17 years old, I was a piece of shit to wake up in the morning. And I started my work, or I needed to get out of bed at 5:30 in the morning because we left the house at 6 to go to work. Do you know what I did? I parked my uncle's car in front of my door because it was glass doors. So I parked it in front of it, and I programmed the car to turn on at 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, that's
so
sick.
It would turn on, and the lights would on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, and I would wake up because of the lights. Yeah,
that's sick. These fucking charts are still not in. My God. No structure behind it. The 5 minute was okay, I suppose, but it's just nothing. In BIOS, you may have an option to set the schedule power on and off. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Tasks.
Buy a decent alarm clock.
Alarm clock's easy to turn off. It generally is, because the issue is, obviously, I'll wake up, I'll look at my phone if there's anything on the charts, and I can't see anything, but most part, the early morning trades are 5 minute trend line gold trades. So I gotta fucking actually do the whole trend lines and stuff. What's this here? Yeah, I'll sort that out.
I think that the only thing that you should chart up when you really wake up is trend line, because you do not have closures above or closures back into the zone at that hour. If you look back to all the trades that we have taken of the closure above or back into the range, etc., it's never, ever, ever at 6 in the morning. It's at 7:30 that time. Trend lines is before 6, and now before fucking 5. It's ridiculous.
Aye, lad, in my time, we used a mallet on your head to wake you up. Mate, I fucking love that shit. To be fair, a cold shower is a good shout as well. Just get into the shower. Yeah. It's a pain in the ass dealing with like your home life as well. Like, for example, like, if I wake up every morning at 5 AM, when Caitlin comes home, I'm gonna be fucking wanting to go to bed, and I'll never even talk to the bitch. You know what I mean? We'll be living with each other. I'll never be seeing it ever. Like, it's not
Looks like a good setup to me.
So it's hard, man. He's like, why aren't you staying up? Like, I'm fucking knackered.
What time do you go to bed?
Not even, well, like, maybe like 11 or 12.
So if you want to be getting up at 5, there's a problem there.
Exactly. Yeah. She comes home from work though, like 8, bro. 8,
Yeah.
make a tea, have a shower, and pretty much in bed if we go to bed at 10.
You could have a nap after New York,
That's true.
like you already done.
I actually don't. I go straight and do all my other work. Yeah, I've
I'm
got...
about to have a nap straight after this.
Goldie coming into that zone, maybe. In terms of GJ though, all of the moves the past couple of days. Yeah, look at GJ this past like week. It's been like bearish, but my god, it's been trickling down. Like, it's in the 1 hour as well. Look at the 30. Ugh. USD keeps rolling. Yeah. I think it's about the interest rates for last night and also the ones today. So people taking trades in the past hour or so, how did you get into your GJ trades? Send me some charts, let's take a look. Maybe the 15-minute bearish closure and you didn't maybe have a support there. Maybe something. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, nothing really there. Hourly no top wick again, like the fucking 10th time.
Stinky trade. Vincent took.
Vincent.
Yeah, I put it on Telegram now.
Beautiful. Is this GU? Yeah.
Yeah, read the text, Max.
Just be a good one to study. Also, if you're free on Google. Closure below closure below Asian lows. Entry on the flip of the candle. Stop loss 50 pips above Asian lows. TP equivalent at 30-minute OB. Beautiful. Oh, gorgeous.
We'll put that on Vincent.
Yeah, yeah.
Very aggressive.
Vincent is that boy. Vincent's the boy. Never turns up. Oh my god. That's class. Bro, why didn't you enter? Enter what? There's nothing that I wanted to enter. Every single closure below was great. No top wick on GJ for the hourly time frame. Goldie just launched down. I mean, it closed below here. I wanted the top wick to get the retest. Didn't give me that. Trickled down for 10 seconds. Got 10 pips. Wow, great. I wasn't happy with the stops. I know if I did that 1,000 times, I wouldn't make much profits. What's the point in doing it? And then we've just noted straight below my support. So there's nothing for me to take, boy. Apart from that gold one this morning was there. 6:30. We're going to EU. Only got into EU. Let's take a look at this. Very nice. Closure below. Very nice at the 15. Stop loss above was pretty reasonable as well. Like 20 pips, I think. Very clean. Very clean. Dum, 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 dum. 90 pip stop. Yeah, that's good stuff. Very nice. EJ looking like cack now. With a 50-minute time frame. Ugh. It's not good. It's not good.
If Ninja would consider this 1 hour as an OB, I think he would be in now.
100%.
Because the hourly rejected the body of the OB.
Yep. Yes, sorry. So now, now I hit the bodies. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It actually shrinks that much nicer, eh? That now. Yeah. For that small stop, with the profits you have yesterday, you would have met your targets for this month. Well, no, I did very low risk on the news, right? I'm not a fucking retard. Low risk. Risk like 0.2. 0.25. I think we're about there. $0.25. So yeah, I think I mean the good thing is about goldies, the retest and the resistance forming later on could be nice. I can't believe, look at fucking GJ's still going. My god. 30-minute time frame on EJ closed weak bullish. The hourly time frame, oh, come back down.
Man, nice trade fucking dumped, bro. That shit's
What did?
fly. A nice trade I took.
Very nice. Maybe GJ doing the same as gold yesterday. Yep. Potentially.
I'm gonna backtest this shit.
Backtest what?
We put GJ on the 5 minutes trend line from the wick at 67.873. You have a touch, you have a break, you have a retest, and then you have the dump.
Yeah.
And if you've taken the retest, stops below the previous 5 would be 4 pips, and below the previous will be 10 pips. And this would be at let's see, 950, so 650, 550, 650.
Yes.
So 447. Yeah.
We just did the same before news to go up as they raise interest rates. Yeah, we'll see.
Max, what time they're meant to be announcing it? Do you know?
12.
Oh, 12. Okay.
Yeah, 12.
They're just trying to make money, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's weird because is it bank holiday in Japan?
Yeah. Yeah, but that's fine, right? This is the Asian session, right? And it did range for most of it, right? So that's okay.
What are you doing homework? Did you say today?
Yeah. Do it after
literally
this.
straight after stream, or
yeah? We'll play at 9:30.
9:30. Okay.
Yeah, it's like 30 minutes.
All right. You know what? I might jump off. Can't see anything happening right now.
Yeah.
And I'll go and walk in the rain with the dog. Great.
Yeah, boy. See you later.
Have a good one. I'll catch up for homework.
You too, man. See you in a bit.
All right, bro. Bye.
My God, look at GJ nutting down. Oh my God, it's just not fucking stopping, is it? Get the 5 minutes. Madness. Yeah, there's nothing I see right now. I think I'm just gonna wait until the news. News. Then maybe take a little buy stop, sell stop on GJ. Just hit my full TP. Beautiful. Yeah, 167. I'm nearly there. 1. Got into GJ after lows broken. Stop above 5-minute bull. Oh, nice. Very nice. So looking like a major pound sell-off this morning. Waiting for this news. It'd be interesting to see where the news takes it, man. In terms of gold, or we could do, yeah, gold. So yesterday, obviously, before the news came out, we flew down, and then we launched, and we corrected. So we're in this part right now of GJ coming down. So we should probably fucking do the inverse, maybe. Only thing is, you know, it's bad news again. They're gonna have to talk some sense into people wanting to invest into this fucking place right now, because it's not looking too good. But I've going up to 3% interest rates.
It's the forecast.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if it went to 3.25.
Nah, they'll follow US, I think. US
US are doing a lot better than we are.
Yeah, but they're following US in terms of increasing their base rates. They've been following them the whole time, and they did 75 base points. So I think it should be. But imagine if it was more. Yeah, it'd be interesting.
Come on, GU.
5-minute closure below retest. Oh, beautiful. All the way down at 167,100. Oh. I would be took that GJ sell the 4 hour. Check it out. My God, if I was up at 5 AM, I would take it that GJ sell on the 4 hour. This one here, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh? Went up at 5. Oh. So funny how all the trades like in their day are just so early. Like the NY session's just later on's actually not bad, is it? Like let's take a look at yesterday. Did it do much after? Yeah. Brother, what do you think about Nire, this guy that pop up always on the ads and saying it's 2022 and it's crazy how you're still using retail junk like technical analysis? Well, if he's on a fucking ad, he can that basically tells you everything, right? They're trying to sell you something. Of course, they're gonna slag the rest of people in the industry. They're just trying to sell you something. I wouldn't fucking advertise anything once. Pay for an ad. What the fuck is this bullshit? Stupid. As long as I make percentages a month, I do not give a single fuck about what everyone else does. Last month I made 22%. Month before, probably 5, 6. Month before 8. Month before 8 again. April 37%. So I don't really give a fuck. And this week, I'm down like minus 0.5 or something, 0.6. But I'm happy with that. It's been a fucking whole news week. I knew this week's going to be shit. A lot of just impulse pushes. And no real retest either. There's been a lot of just when price wants to move, it'll just move. But it's just because there's news. And when it ranges, man, that shit ranges, boy. Yeah, like last month called out like 22 trades, 16 wins, 3 losses. This month had a rookie start from the start, but managed them nicely. Only down minus 1.2, sorry. Oh no, we missed DJ selling. You might have missed DJ selling. Mad how much this is pushing us. 168. We were literally at 170 like a couple days ago. My God. Just how powerful this news is going to be, man. Very, very important news. You do have to go to yourself, you know, do I want to take trades just before this news is going to come out? Because, you know, in terms of an investor, someone wants to buy the pound or sell the pound, you know, unless they know it's going to go a certain way, they're not going to want to be trading it until the news comes out. GBP news at 2 p.m. No, it's at 12 p.m.
Okay.
What are you in now?
It's just so slow.
Yeah, man. It's trickling down though. But if you look on like the higher time, you're like, oh my god, we've nutted. But say, yeah, it took that. 5-minute time frames have been painful.
Took the retest on GU.
On the lower time frame.
TP1's 59.3 pips. 5 minute.
5 minute. Beautiful.
It's 2 pips off TP1. There we go.
Trace that one. Oh my god. Look at that GJ boy. Yeah, beautiful from these highs as well. So, in terms of later, man, there's so much good time for it to pull up and stuff. Obviously, the news is gonna probably do that all in one candle, but it's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to leave it off over here, guys. Going to wait until this news comes out. Might do a buy stop, sell stop. We'll obviously be on stream doing it as well. And yeah, hope to guys see you tomorrow. We'll do the homework at 9:30. And yeah, see you guys later, man. Peace out, peace out. See you later, guys. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Peace out, man. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios, amigos.